Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by ensuring you have a recent backup and debugging enabled so you can act safely. Start the Content Manager, reproduce the fatal error, and copy the exact message and stack trace. Once done, note any recent plugin installs or CMS updates that coincide with the failure and verify file permissions on upload folders. This gives you a precise starting point and prevents data loss while you diagnose. You now methodically narrow down the cause. Disable extensions one at a time and retry to isolate the offender. If the error stops, you've found the culprit. Next, inspect the stack trace and open the reference source files to find missing functions or corrupted code, then restore from backup or apply a targeted patch. Also verify runtime versions and reinstall dependencies so mismatches aren't the hidden trigger. You finish by re-enabling components one at a time and testing the full content workflow to confirm stability. Make sure to clear caches and rebuild any indexes so stale state isn't masking issues. Check user roles and storage quotas to prevent permission or quota-related failures. If the fatal error persists, gather logs, exact reproduction steps, environment details, and the stack trace, then escalate to support. This targeted evidence speeds.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.